This short video is intended to outline the proposed vision and strategic plan for USEV. USEV is a student-led society that aims to design, manufacture and test a highly efficient prototype vehicle. As core members of USEV, we are passionate to ensure the society's success. We are concerned about the longevity of the society and the team's potential not being realised. We feel the proposed strategic plan provides a solid platform from which the team can develop. The background to this plan is outlined in Chapter 2 of the thesis. The plan was created by RxJ², a master's project which conducted a landscape analysis, spoke with industry and conducted workshops to develop the most appropriate plan. We recommend all USEV members, especially board members, read over the executive summary, conclusions in Chapter 5 and strategic plan in Chapter 4. It should be noted that in addition to the strategic plan, the landscape analysis and industry discussions provide useful insight into sustainable transport and what graduate qualities industry desires. The main sections of the strategic plan are outlined, and we will briefly discuss the purpose of each section and how it can benefit the team. The plan is not a document that outlines every step of how USEV should be run. We suggest that board members use the strategic plan to form strategies and make decisions. It should be noted, a strategic plan is only as good as its implementation. The vision statement. What the team strives to achieve and how. Continuous development of students through progression of sustainable transportation technologies. The mission statement. How the vision statement is currently being achieved. USEV exists to provide students with professional development, collaborate with industry, and raise awareness of sustainable transport. This is achieved through the design, manufacture and testing of a highly efficient prototype vehicle to participate in applicable events and competitions. The core values: efficient engineering, effective teamwork and enjoyable experience. As a student-led society for students, ownership is imperative for the society's success. The other key values span from this. These are fundamental to everything the team does, where it wants to go and how it wants to get there. Each year, USEV should ensure the plan aligns with the vision, mission and core values of the team. Stakeholders. There are many stakeholders connected to USEV. These are people or groups of people with invested interests. The board should be aware of each of these and what influence they have on the team. Much of the success of USEV will rely on these stakeholders, so it is important they are given the attention they deserve. Stakeholders should be reviewed annually. SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis provides an overview of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. The one presented in the plan provides a situational analysis of the team in early 2018. This was essential to provide a baseline from which the rest of the strategic plan was formed. It also highlights the massive potential of USEV if the opportunities are grasped. Long-term goals and yearly objectives. The long-term goals and yearly objectives outline a path for the team. These goals must be formulated in conjunction with all foregoing sections of the plan. The success of USEV is achieved through the fulfillment of 9 long-term goals. These long-term goals have been broken down into yearly objectives to provide a clear focus for each year ahead. Later on, the action plan further breaks these objectives down into specific steps to be undertaken. KPIs. Key performance indicators are used to measure the success of the team. A list has been provided and should be recorded as necessary to begin monitoring the team's progress. Action plan. A detailed action plan was formulated to meet the yearly objectives of 2018-2019. It outlines the strategies required, their purpose, responsible parties, and timescale to meet the given objective. We recommend a similar action plan should be developed by the acting USEV Board of Directors for following years prior to the start of each academic year. Financial analysis. Financial backing is crucial to the sustainability of USEV. The source of this finance can come from the university support, sponsorship, or other means. A brief financial analysis of the initial years of the team is included in the plan. However, a more detailed financial strategy is required. Technology roadmap. So, where do we see the car going? The technology roadmap indicates a suggestion for the development of future aspects of the vehicle. The 5-year roadmap highlights where we think USEV should progress towards technically, how to do it, and why. It is worth noting the importance of dissertation proposals for 4th, 5th year projects in the roadmap. These are a great opportunity to develop any aspect of the vehicle or team as part of your degree. These are highly encouraged and applied by top teams across Europe. Some suggestions have been discussed and described in the appendix of the report. The next steps. It should be obvious that this video gives a very high-level overview of the proposed strategic plan. For a full explanation, the actual strategic plan should be consulted. Your first steps should be to plan the upcoming year. What does the team want to achieve? What changes will be made to the vehicle? What events will USEV attend? We suggest starting by reviewing the action plan and technology roadmap. There is a lot of information to take in, but as members of USEV, your main focus should be on what can be done to benefit the team, even if this means deviating from the plan or personal agendas. In 3 years, so in 2021, we would strongly recommend updating the entire strategic plan and technology roadmap. This will include updating the landscape analysis due to the dynamic nature and quick progress in the sustainable transport field. This strategic plan was developed to assist USEV and to ensure its success within the university. All of the members of RxJ² are contactable for support, but the responsibility of USEV's success now lies with you.